With Papaya Global, you can integrate your data from your HCM system, HRIS, or any Excel file to the Papaya platform. In this video, you will learn how you can request a new format mapping, map the format according to your preferences, and import any file in that format for a smooth integration. Once you are logged in to the platform, click Integrations and choose Data Mapping. In this page, you can request and manage your data mappings to support any data upload into the Papaya platform. Click Request Mapping to start the process. Input the basic mapping settings. When choosing a mapping name, make sure to choose a name that reflects the data in the file. Choose the data type and your mapping purpose. Make sure your file has all the mandatory fields for the selected mapping purpose. You can see the fields here. Choose your file and submit. Once your file is uploaded to the Papaya platform, you can move on to the next step and easily map it. In the Data Mapping page, you can find your mapping request in the table. Open its menu and click Map File. This will open the self-serve mapping process. Start with defining the basic file structure, choose the file header and the first row of data, and click Next. Now you can map your file. First, set the date format to match the format you use in the file. Each field can be mapped into one of four categories: cost plan for fixed compensation, variables for a one-time payment, HR data for personal, job-related, and bank details data, and ignore fields. Use this option if there are any fields in your file that are not relevant for any payroll purposes. To map an item, click it and choose the data category. Here you will be able to select the relevant item from the list and move on to the next item. Make sure you choose the correct date format and that you have mapped all mandatory fields. If the date format or mandatory fields are missing, you will not be able to complete the mapping. Click Next to validate the data. In the validation, you will see the import overview. Review it to make sure the data is accurate and click Import. Now your workers are created and you can use this template to update their HR and PTO data through an SFTP folder or upload a file manually. For a manual upload, click Data Imports. We suggest you use our Pre-Check feature. Open the Import Data button. Choose Pre-Check Data and upload your file. Now you can see your file in the table in a pending status. Review the data and click Import to finalize the changes. Your data is now uploaded and updated on the Papaya platform. You can keep uploading files and updating the data until the cutoff date. You can view and manage all your imports, automatic and manual, in the Data Imports page. Thanks for watching.